So now let's see how we can write our own custom validation messages and send it to user. So let's go to our products request. In here, if you want to write your own custom message for the validation, you can do that also by just creating a new function with the name of messages, and inside this you can return an array of your messages. So let's write our own custom message for brand required. For that, you have to pass first of all the field name, which is brand ID, then the validation logic. So I want to write a custom message for the brand ID required validation. So in here I will type brand ID, then dot my validation name, which is required. Now after that I can type my message. So let's say you forgot to select the brand. That's it. Let's add another message for our category. So for the category, we will type you forgot to select the category. Similarly, for all the validations, you can write a custom message. So let's say, for example, uh, for the name and max validation, we will type another message. So name dot max, and let's say you wrote too many text inside the name. Now let's save everything and let's go back, refresh. We will keep category and brand empty, and in here let's write a lot of text, copy paste. Okay, that's it. Now click the save product. Okay, now our first validation message, you forgot to select the brand, then you forgot to select the category, and for the name we got you wrote too many texts inside the name, and these two are the default Laravel validations, not just inside the product request. If you want to send a custom message inside the your controller request validate, we can also do that. So let's uncomment this now temporarily, and for your custom messages inside this validation, before after ending the first parameter array, you will type another array, and inside this array you will add your validation messages. So let's copy them from here and paste it here. Now change this back to request so the Laravel use this validation. Okay, everything is set. Let's go back and add some text here. Now let's click save. As you guys can see, I got my messages again in this using this type of validation also. Now here we have one problem, that whenever we make a mistake, all our old data is lost and we have to retype it again. In the next section we will see how we can keep our old data